ดีครับพี่เบิร์ดกำลังเทศศึกษาสุขสดีจากจังหวัดเวียงจันทร์กันนะจะยาวมิดไนท์สเปเชียลนานๆจะเจอกันทีขอบคุณครับ
AUBREY was her name, and not so very ordinary girl a name, but who's to blame for a love that wouldn't bloom, for the hearts that never played in tune,
like a lovely melody that everyone can sing. Take away the words that live by, it doesn't mean a thing. And nobody was your name. We took the ride and danced together to the moon. But where was you? No, it's never came alive. If it did, it never made a sound.
maybe I was absent or was listening too fast, catching all the words but then the meaning going past. But God, I miss the girl, and I'd go 1,000 times around the world just to be closer to her than to me.
Nobody was your name. I never knew the man I loved had turned to sea. I let her stay. And I found a way, and the lesson never made her stay.
I have learned to lead a life apart from all the rest. If I can't have the one I want, I'll do without the best. But how I miss the girl, and I'd go 1,000,000 times around the world just to say she had been mine for a day.
ขอบคุณครับ